Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this Wi-Fi smart camera, and you can see it's there, and then there it kind of does it too. It uses the ICSEE app, so I have that app already because I have some other cameras that use it. But I'll show you guys everything it comes with here. So it comes with the charging nugget and a USB-C connector there for that. It comes with the mounting bracket, so you can screw it onto anything. And then it comes with some screws. And let's see, and here is the camera right there. And then it comes with some instructions over here as well. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in and try to connect it. So let's see, how do we do this here? Let me open this up. So here is our wire. Oh, you guys can't see very well what I'm doing. So here we go. I aim it down. Let me move some of my other things out of the way. So here is the camera. I'll peel off these little blue tabs. If I can, there we go. Okay, so there it is. I'm not going to connect it up to right there right now, but I'm just going to plug it into a battery pack and see if it works with that, just because I don't have power very close. Okay, so there it is. Should be plugged in. Oh, and it's moving by itself. Okay, so now I have my IC. Haha. Oh, so it's doing some sort of. Okay, so I want to add a device. So I am in my app now. Add a device. I want to add a Wi-Fi camera. And let's see if we can do this. So it found the camera. I'll say OK. And then I have to type my password here. Let me see if we can do it. And it connects up through 2.4 gigahertz. So I don't know if my network is that right now. We will see if it connects. So let's see if it connects. I don't know if I have the 2.4 gigahertz on. I guess I do because I just got a pop-up saying something connected.
Connect to router successfully.
Okay. So here we go. So now it says it's adding the camera. And it says it's completed. It says no SD card is in there, but we'll just go through. Oh, it says no SD card, and let's see, device added. So let's see what happens when we do this. Ah, there we go. So it's got two cameras on it. Oh, I don't want to join. So here we go. So we have the two cameras. We have the bottom one, which is facing down here, and then the top one there. This is the one that can move. See, there we go. So I'm moving that one now. Hopefully you guys can see it over here. So I'm moving it around. So it's got, it can move. So you can see my whole house here. Okay, and let's see if we can do up. Yep, we can aim up. Here we are recording. And down. So look at that. How cool is that? So we've got the full connection. You saw, I don't know, this video is 3 minutes long, and I've already connected it, and we're already looking at this stuff. And so let me just look at this camera here, and I'll just show you guys some other features possibly in it here. So we're going to have to see, where do we connect up to put in an SD card? So let's figure that one out here. So let's see what it is here. So the memory card slot is on the head here somewhere. So let's see, how do we get to it? This is a factory reset button somewhere. Ah, so when we aim this up, you can see right there, there's the SD card slot and the factory reset button. So we could always get in there. So we could put an SD card. I don't have an SD card to put in there right now, but that would be what I would need for it to be recording on there instead of using the cloud. Or you could just sign up for the cloud service, I guess, too. And then, okay, so I'm just going to unplug it right now. We've already seen what it does here. Here is all the video works. I'm just going to unplug it. And then we'll just look at what the mounting bracket looks like. So you put it in there and turn it. So there, now it's locked into place. And then we have the ability to screw this onto anything and aim it up and down and however we want. Or if we put it on a wall, we could turn it around that way, however we need for it to do that. So how cool is that? So really nice one. It's cool the way it has a camera always going that direction, and then the other one's the adjustable one to move around. So super cool little device, and it's got the night vision as well. So I'm going to say this is a nice camera setup. Thumbs up from me.